Hi, Steve Brocklehurst here. So, is this what you're trying to do? Getting it to go to WhatsApp. I'm running it at the moment. It's going to type in a number at the top, phone number of somebody. It's going to find them, and it's then going to go to their profile, and it's going to type a message inside like this. And then it's going to go on to the next number. Now, I'm using the same phone number for each run on here from a Google Sheet. And I'll show you the Google Sheet in a minute. We'll just go through this again. So this is the second one. So the first one is Hello Rockin' Daddy. This is a test. Regards, Steve. And you'll see on the next one it's going to be a different message that's going to be sent out on there. So obviously if you're using the Google Sheets I've got, then it's just going to write the next message and so on. Here's a different message again. And as you'll see, there's going to be a third message coming in a moment, which will be a variation again. Here we go. So it's going to put the phone number in. I've put a delay between each message of about 30 seconds, so it doesn't look too spammy. Otherwise, you end up in a situation where you can have problems. Here goes, put the number in again, and now it's going to put the message in. There we go, boom. So now it's gone and done it. If this is something you want, let me know. Send me a private message, and I can do a bit more of a tutorial on how I've created this task for you. I want to show you the sheet I've created. So I'm going to use ChatGPT to create the messages, but basically in column A, first part of the message is hello, hi, howdy, all the variations of that all the way down. Then you got the person's name. So obviously you'd put lots of names in here related to the person. Then your first part of the message, like, hi, how you doing, blah, 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 blah. I would like you to message me back, whatever. Then the sign-off version, so you get ChatGPT to create variations of this, regards, thank you, whatever. And then you put your name in there. And last of all, the column with the phone numbers in. And then literally you can run them through here. Now, with this ready-made version, the only thing you would need to do is come in here, come down and connect your sheet. So you'd do a connection on your sheet here, and the next row number. So if you start at row number 2, you change that to number 2, and it'd run all the way down accordingly. So if you're going to put, like, let's say on 15, number 15, and you put number 25 in, then you'd say 15 in here to continue. How many loops you want to do at a time? So let's just say you had 15 to do, you put 15 in there, and away you go. And that's how you sort of set this up. And run it every 5 minutes or every hour or whatever you want custom. You can set this up once a day. So you could tell it to send a message out every day to people on your list saying, Heidi, how's it going? Keeping in contact with you. And it's just really how I've set things up. Let me know what you think. If it's what you want, I can send you a copy actually of this workflow. And the way we would do it is I would send you over a copy, you then copy it into a new workflow. Once it's in your workflow, let me know, and then I will say remove access at the moment, so I can pass the whole thing over to you. So I would remove my access to it on your copy. All right. So let me know if that helps. It's ready built. I can just give you a full copy of this. In case anyone's wondering, Rockin' Daddy is part of a radio station. I'm involved with RockinDaddiesRadio.com. I present a radio show every Sunday, 7 p.m. UK time. So I'm testing this out for the radio station to message people when we are on air. And so far it's working really well. I just need to add a list of phone numbers into the system where I can message them and say, come and tune in to Rockin' Daddies Radio. So if that's good, let me know. Please comment below my post, like it, share it out there, show people this, because the workflow is really easy. It's the loop trigger connected to a Google Sheet, then it goes to the web WhatsApp group, then it's going to enter in the phone number from the Google Sheet, then it's going to press enter, then it's going to enter in the message, which is the first part of the message as on there, the name of the person we're messaging, the second part of the message, which is on here, and also my name, the sign off after the sign off, which is there, and then it waits 30 seconds and loops round to the next person on this list. So if obviously I've got Rockin' Daddy 3 times, but I could have John, Bob, Sarah, whoever, with their numbers on the end and the variations of the sheet. So, and I can also, as I've said previously, I can also give you a copy of the Google Sheet if that helps. But that's how I set it up. Hopefully that's going to help you.